Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to Garnet Tools. I recently asked you guys what scan tool I should pick up due to my need to have a professional automotive scan tool to do some of the things that I'm tired of taking my vehicle into the dealership for, because I'm very well capable of doing that thing myself. And you guys told me that I should either go with the Launch or the Autel and don't even think about the Think tool, pun intended. But I actually ended up going with the Launch X431 Pro S Mini. So today's video is going to be a little bit of an unboxing and first impressions on that scan tool. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe if you're not already and hit that bell to be notified of all my latest uploads. So here it is. Here is the packaging first up. It's the X431 Pro S Mini. But it's got Launch branded tape all over it. It says it's going to be version 3.0. You can see Launch. Here is the tablet itself, and we'll get a hand-to-hand representation. Actually, that might even be a full-size representation right there. Not much on the side. Back has the same exact thing. And on this side, a little more of the information. There's that. And there is the packaging, or it just comes in a case. Nothing else is in the box except for the registration materials are in that box. So slide that open, and there is the tool. In this box, it comes with a bunch of different accessories. So to kick it all off, here is the tablet. It's packed in here very tightly. And there it is. That is the scan tool. Comes with the OBD2 connector, the data link connector built right into the unit. I very much like that about this one. It's one of the major reasons why I got this one, because you can easily check, before you put it away. Oh, is it in there? No, it's not. Blam, where's it at? Put it back. So I like that about this. And I like that it has this foam. And it's not like a plasticky type of material that this thing sits in. But we're going to see if this thing has any juice. It does. So we're going to let that power up while we look at this other stuff and see how long it takes. This is, let's see what we got here. And of course, I'm going to have to take some of this stuff out of the bag. See what we got here. So we got a bunch of different cables, of which I probably don't know half of what is for. Let's go through. Oh, okay. So yeah, this on it does say OBD1 adapter. So, yeah, all right. So you take this, you take this and you plug it into this guy, and you plug whatever adapter you need into the other end of this. And some of them might need supplementary power. So you plug this in and you connect. That makes a ton of sense there. That's awesome. That's pretty sick. That you can also do OBD1 stuff with this thing. I won't frequently be doing that, but pretty cool. There is also an extension in this bag here. Let's actually see what's in here. This is M/H12 plus 16. NH1416. It's a bunch of different connectors. If I end up needing these are garbage actually. It actually comes with different country adapters. Yeah, your different types of plugs for different countries, so you can charge the thing. I don't actually see, unless I'm missing it. Here it is. So let's move over to the tablet. So this is the charge cable for that tablet, and it is updated to some relatively new stuff, because it is going to have USB-C down in there. And mine did actually come with a full charge, so you're not going to have to worry about that. And this is the screen you're going to get, I guess, when you first boot it, telling you to register. But what I like about this is that it's Android based, so you can hit home button and there is your home screen. So included is going to be BMW, looks like either 30 or 80, Benz 38, GM Vaz 12, Honda 3, Toyota 17, Toyota 22, and Chrysler 6. I think that's the number of, that's the number of pins. That's nice that it's printed right on there. So you know if you have if you need, your repair information says you need to connect with the Toyota blah, blah, blah 22 pin connector. Blam, you come in right in here and you find your 22 pin connector without even having to, pull each out and count the pins or see how many is in there. It tells you right there. That's pretty nice. So let me see if I can get this thing registered and maybe we can tour around it a little bit. I'll get all this other stuff put away real quick. So here we are, a little more up close and personal. I did manage to get logged in and get my VCI registered and activated. Here is my Mitchell. I was able to get my Mitchell going on here, so I can just pop into Mitchell and access my repair information right on this device rather than having another device or using my phone in addition to this thing, which is pretty nice. But here is the app. That's what it looks like. You go in, you diagnose, you click what you need to click. Couple things I did notice about this device is one thing that's really nice is that it does have that USB-C. I don't know if I showed that already, but it's buried down in there, USB-C. There's no volume buttons, but there are 2 speakers mounted on the bottom. So I think maybe on older devices there are volume buttons. I don't know if I recall seeing that. But the last thing is that there's no Google Play services on this. So, that kind of hinders it a little bit in my eyes. Whereas if you did have Google Play or was able to get the Play Store on here, you would have the ability to put like Find My Device or YouTube or things of that nature directly on here. Like you can't even access your Gmail because there's none of that Google Play stuff on here. It's Android based, but there's no Google Play stuff. But in my next video, we'll go ahead and plug this thing into my 07 Silverado and see what it can actually do. But until then, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, make sure you drop a like, get subscribed, and consider checking out my support links. As always, links will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!